Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see the Dakin reaction. So in the Dakin reaction, the aldehyde or acetyl group in the aldehyde or acetyl group in the phenolic aldehyde or phenolic ketone is going to get replaced with the hydroxyl group. Like in the case of this benzaldehyde, it will be get converted into phenol. This this acetyl group is going to get converted into phenol. Okay, so in the Dakin reaction the replacement is going to get take place by the help of the alkaline hydrogen peroxide alkaline condition, later on followed by the hydrolysis. Okay, so in the presence of alkaline H2O2, that hydrogen peroxide, the aldehyde group or acetyl group from the phenolic aldehyde and the phenolic ketone, the replacement is going to take place by the hydroxyl group. Simply the Dakin reaction is that in which the acetyl group or aldehyde group from the phenolic aldehyde or phenolic ketone. Here is the phenolic aldehyde is what? Benzaldehyde, and this is what? The phenolacetone. Okay, means the acetophenone. Okay, so this group are getting converted, replacement is going to take place in the what? Hydroxyl group. So we will see the mechanism of this Dakin reaction, how these reactions are going to take place. So the mechanism of the Dakin reaction involves the simply three step. Okay, now in the step 1 the formation of the formation of peroxide ion is going to take place. Okay, okay. Oh, so how this peroxide ion going to get formed? The attack of base, the alkaline condition that we are using here, the base is going to get attack on the one of the hydrogen atom of peroxide to form an peroxide ion. Okay, plus H2O, this OH and this EH. The peroxide ion is get formed in the step 1. Now in the step 2, this peroxide ion is going to attack on the carbonyl carbon of our phenolic aldehyde or phenolic ketone. Suppose if we have a benzaldehyde, so we know the structure of benzaldehyde is COOH. Okay, so the peroxide ion is going to attack on the carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde, which will lead to the formation of peroxide intermediate. So how is the peroxide intermediate? Like this. Okay, so this. Okay, now this peroxide intermediate is get formed in this step 2. Now in the step 3, the peroxide ion is kept for the hydrolysis. Okay, as we have already mentioned in the reaction also, now this peroxide ion will be kept for hydrolysis, which will lead to the loss of what? This acid group, this formic acid group from the. Okay, so if we have done the hydrolysis of this compound, we will get an phenol along with what? Formic acid. Hydrolysis of this compound is leading to the and formic acid plus phenol. So simply the replacement reaction has been done. This where is going this? Okay, so this aldehyde group of benzaldehyde is been replaced by the hydroxyl group simply by the mechanism of the three-step Dakin reaction. So just remember that whenever in the reaction the aldehyde group or acetyl group is getting replaced by the hydroxyl group in the reaction, that reaction is known as what? Dakin reaction. The many times in the reaction, this reaction is been asked, so it's very important reaction, so just keep it remember. So the handwritten notes of this reaction I have given below in the description box, you can also go through it also. Oh, so if you have any doubts regarding this reaction, you can ask me directly in the comment box. So thank you so much. And if you don't have, if you yet still don't have subscribe my channel, so please subscribe and press that bell icon to get immediate notifications of every my new video. So thank you so much.